In this tutorial, I will show you the safest way to check for a Grok update on Android. Start on the home screen and swipe up to open the app drawer. Find Grok. Press and hold its icon, then tap the small information symbol in the shortcut menu. That opens the Android app info page for the exact Grok installation on this phone. On App Info, swipe upward to move down the page. Near the bottom, Android shows App Details in Store, followed by the installed version. This phone is running version 1.2.22, release 00. Tap App Details in Store, and Android opens the correct Google Play listing for Grok AI by XAI. This route avoids choosing an imitation app from search results. Now check the large main action beside Uninstall. On this phone it says Open, which means Google Play is not currently offering a newer app package to install. The words Update available lower down are inside an Events and Offers card for the Grok Image 2.0 model. That promotional card is not the application update control, so do not confuse the two. To check automatic updates for Grok, tap the three dots in the upper right corner of its Play Store listing. The menu shows Enable Auto Update with a checked box on this phone. Leave it checked if you want Google Play to handle future Grok updates automatically. I am leaving the owner's setting exactly as it was. Tap outside the menu to close it when you are finished checking. You can also reach the same result directly through Google Play. Return home, open the Play Store, and tap Search at the bottom. Tap the search field, type Grok, and submit the search. Ignore the sponsored result at the top. The genuine Grok AI result is labeled XAI and installed. Its button also says Open on this phone, confirming the same no update result. Here is the shortest reliable path again. Open the app drawer, press and hold Grok, tap the information icon, and swipe down through App Info until App Details in Store appears. The version number is visible directly below that row. Open the store listing and inspect the large main button. This recording shows Open, so there is no Grok app update to install right now. Open the three-dot menu and confirm Enable Auto Update is checked if you want future versions handled automatically. Remember that the Update Available label in Events and Offers is about promoted Grok content, not the installed Android package. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more honest Android app guides.